Hello, first graders. How's it going today? Today we're going to talk about ah, the sound ah. Like when you go to the doctor and you have a sore throat and the doctor looks inside your throat and says, say ah. You have to open really big. Do you know how that sound is spelled? Ah. Spelled with two letters. We have an A-W. Okay. It's also spelled with an A and a U. So I'd like you to take out your worksheet that says how many sounds can you hear. And then you can use a color if you want to, or you can just use your pencil. It's up to you. I'm going to read the directions to you. Read each of the words out loud slowly. For every sound that you hear, color in a circle. How many sounds were there? Circle that number. So remember, A-W says ah, and A-U makes the sound ah. Our first word here starts with the R, and we're going to sound it out really slowly. We're going to color in one circle for that sound. Ah, A and W, ah. We're going to color in another circle. How many sounds were there in that word? Ah, ra. Two sounds. Let's look at your next word. A and U says ah. Ooh. T. Now we're going to say it a little faster. Ult. Vault. That word is vault. Do you know what vault is? Some of you in gymnastics might know. Vault is this big thing you can do handstands over. It's a piece of equipment. A vault is also like a safe where you have a lock on it and you keep special things inside. Vault has 4 sounds. So I'm going to circle 4. We'll go on to our next word. Y says yeah at the beginning of a word. So we have one sound. AW, again, says that is ah. And the last sound in that word is n. Yawn. Yawn. How many sounds? 3 sounds. Let's slowly sound out the next word. K. Ah. U. S. K. Ah. U. S. Crawls. That word is crawls. That has 5 sounds in it. Next word. B. There's our A-W. Ah. Ooh. I see an E-D. So let's say that word without the E-D. B-A-U. Ball. Ball ed. Balt. Or bald. In this word, E-D says D, and there's just one sound for that. B-A-U-D. Bald. 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. Now this is not like this kind of bald, B-A-L-D, like a bald eagle, or if you don't have any hair, you're bald. That's not the same. So what B-A-W-L-E-D means is like to cry, like a baby will bawl, or if you're saying something kind of in a whining voice, that means that you bawled. Look at your next word. S. There's H after it. So whenever you see an SH, remember it doesn't make 2 separate sounds. It makes one sound. SH says shh. SH. Shh. Okay. And AW says ah, and the last is an L. That makes one sound ooh. So putting that together, sh, ah, ooh, shawl. 3 sounds. And our last one we have here is, okay, we're starting with an S. That says, there's our A and U says ah. In the end, we have a C and E together. Okay, when we have a C and E together, C is going to have a soft sound. Okay, it doesn't say that hard C, it's a soft C. So C and E together is going to make one sound, and that one sound is S. Word is sauce, like spaghetti sauce. That would be 3 sounds. So let's look down at your blanks in those sentences, and we're going to use the words from above to fill in the blanks to make the sentences correct. This sentence, number 1, says Sean kept the blank in the blank. Think about what Sean could keep. Okay, so we're looking for a noun. Can he keep a raw? Kept the vault, kept the yawn, kept the crawls, kept the bald, kept the shawl, kept the sauce. The 2 words that could work in there is either shawl or sauce. Sean kept the blank in the blank. Next week, you're going to actually be reading a story about a boy named Sean, and it's called Sean's Soy Sauce. And so this sentence comes from that story. So I'm just going to give you a clue right now what those words would be. Sean kept the sauce is the word for there in the vault. Remember, vault is like a safe. Next sentence. Nobody likes me, blank Jenny. So Jenny is saying that with expression. There's an exclamation point at the end. So how would she say that? Nobody likes me. Yawn, Jenny? Nobody likes me. Crawls, Jenny? The word that fits on that blank is bald. And she's kind of like crying. She says that. Nobody likes me, bald, Jenny. In her last sentence, number 3, Jenny's mom wrapped her in a wool blank. I wonder if you know this word. This is shawl. It's like a blanket you put around your shoulders. Jenny's mom wrapped her in a wool shawl. So there you have it. Now you can read and spell words with the ah sound in them. Okay, have a good day. Thanks for working hard.